It's called the Sync pen, and honestly, it's like something straight out of the future. It looks like a regular pen, but it's actually a smart pen powered by artificial intelligence. You write with it on normal paper, just like any pen, but everything you write or draw gets instantly saved to your phone or tablet. So you're still writing by hand, but your notes are all digital. No more snapping photos of pages or losing your ideas. What's really impressive is how smart it is. It can actually recognize your handwriting and turn it into typed text. So messy notes? No problem. Plus, it can translate what you write into other languages, which is wild. Oh, and here's my favorite part. It can record audio while you write, and then link that audio to exactly what you were writing at the time. So if you're in a class or meeting, you can go back and hear what was being said when you wrote something down. It's light, it feels good to hold, and the battery lasts for hours. Whether you're a student, an artist, or someone who's always jotting down ideas, the Sync pen makes it super easy to stay organized without losing that natural feel of handwriting. Super cool, right?